Hello, how are you? My name is Caesar, and I just wanted to go through a little bit of my stock trading journey, which basically started in October 2019, where I started trading through the Robinhood app. I wanted to get into it, and I started making trades blindly, probably like a lot of people that are beginning. And I guess it wasn't really till about March when the lockdown, the whole coronavirus lockdown that started, that I really started to get serious about it. Back in when I started in October, it was really just willy nilly, just trading and making some profits and losing some money and back and forth, but no plan, no set entry points or exit points. Plotting resistance and support, whatever it is. So it really wasn't until March where I really started getting serious, and I really learned a lot. I should say on the Thinkorswim platform, which is through TD Ameritrade, is where I really learned. And it didn't cost me much. It was a minimum $50 deposit to open an account, which immediately after opening the account with the $50, I started to put the money to work. But I did the education on there, which was very useful. I did technical analysis, which I think it says like 3 or 4 hours to complete. It took me about a day, I think, a full day. I have kids and a wife and everything, so I kind of between that, it took me a day, I should say, like a full Sunday to learn and to do that whole educational training for technical analysis, and I learned a lot. I learned a huge amount, and I kind of, realized what I was doing wrong, which was just entering at the wrong point. And I learned support and resistance and entry points and exit points. So um, I highly recommend that, to educate yourself. If not through Thinkorswim, maybe another platform, but to really educate yourself. Could be fundamental analysis. I did technical analysis, and it's helped me a lot. I've kept track of my trades and really tried to keep track of it, which I think is very important. It's not much, but it's by paper. I'm kind of old school with it, but I've made a lot of trades that I've started to calculate, and I've so far I'm in the green, pretty heavily in the green since doing that. Um, and as far as the platforms that I use now, I still have the Robinhood app. I have money tied up there, but um, I guess after learning technical analysis, you realize that the Robinhood app just doesn't have the charts really that you need. And I guess after learning technical analysis, you realize what I'm talking about. You want to be able to chart and to analyze your trades as you go. So I think it's very useful to have a strong platform like Thinkorswim, where you can do your charting. And I've really transitioned over to Webull, which is very useful. They allow you to trade as early as 4 a.m. Eastern Standard Time and as late as 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. But it's not just that. It's really the um, the scanners that they have as far as the volume, um, the, the what's like the morning gainers and the losses and what's oversold and what's overbought, which is things you'll learn as you go. But definitely education is key, not just investing like I did in the beginning in October 2019, just invest um, without any plan or education. And I'm going to leave a link below for the Webull app. I think it's very good for beginners because they give you two free stocks valued from, I think, from as low as like $12 a share to up to like $1,400 a share through just joining the Webull, and then when you deposit, they give you another free stock. So I think it's like 3 free stocks that they give you, just to join plus deposit. And thank you for watching. I'm going to be posting more as my journey goes on. And thank you for watching.